Hello everyone, this is Chinky and welcome back to my channel. So today, I'm not gonna show my face because I have a sty on my left eye and it looks unpleasant. So this morning I'm going to show you my Dieffenbachia collections at home. Sadly, there are many popular houseplants that are toxic to both humans and pets, so care must be taken when growing them. So that's why I just started planting this plant, the Dieffenbachia, recently because I don't have small kids or small children at home. Because this plant is poisonous to humans and pets when ingested. So you have to be very careful when planting this if you have small kids at home. Dieffenbachia, or also known as dump cane, is a popular houseplant grown for its large, showy leaves. The foliage comes in a variety of patterns and colors that include light green, dark green, cream, and gold, seen in stripes, solids, speckles, and edges. Dieffenbachia doesn't really need much care to thrive. Although it tolerates low light, it does best in bright and direct light with the protection from the sun. You can use a fast-draining, well-aerated potting mix. Make sure their drainage is good to avoid damaging the roots. They should never be left in saggy soil. So for best results, you can fertilize your Dieffenbachia regularly every 4 to 6 weeks with a balanced, complete fertilizer. Dieffenbachia is one of the most common indoor plants because it's very easy to care and it is great as an office or a house plant. However, the plant can be poisonous, so there are some situations where it might not be a good fit. So if you have young children, puppies, or any young pets, it should be kept out of reach since they love to chew on anything nearby. So if you want to propagate also this plant, if you need to cut it or propagate them, it is wise to always wear gloves. That's it for our vlog this morning. Don't forget to subscribe and I hope that you enjoy watching my video. Thank you and God bless us all always. Take care and bye.